Get ready for the dictation. 10 seconds, 5 seconds, start.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have great pleasure to address Indians here this morning in this beautiful country of Kuwait. I came here just 2 hours ago, but ever since I landed here, I felt as if I was in my homeland. It is well known that you have all come here from different parts of the country. As a matter of fact, it feels as if a mini India has come alive before me. It is my duty to point out that I see people from all parts of our country here speaking different languages. I am aware that right now you are in a festive mode preparing for the new year. On this occasion, I extend my hearty wishes to all of you for all the festivals that are to come in the next few months. Friends, I would like to inform you that a Prime Minister from India is visiting this country for the first time in 40 years. It is a matter of surprise that though it is just 4 hours to travel here, it has taken nearly 4 decades to make the journey. I am sure that many of you have been living in this country for generations. It may not be out of place if I say that some of you might have been born here. It is a matter of great satisfaction that you have added a touch of Indian flavor to this society. That is why I am here today, and I hope that your influence would grow to a great extent in the next few years. I am happy to see Indians from all walks of life here. Many of you are involved in construction industry and in other sectors as well. A large number of Indians work here as doctors and nurses. I am happy to see that the teachers here have been shaping the next generation of this country. It is therefore no surprise that whenever I speak with the leadership of this country, they praise you immensely. It is clear that they have great respect for you as a result of your hard work and honesty. On this occasion, I would like to state that Indians come first in the matter of remittance from different parts of the world. I would like to state that a significant share of this credit goes to all of you here. I would be failing in my duty if I do not mention the great role you play in the development of our country. In this connection, I would like to say a few words on our relationship. I would like to submit that our nations are situated on the opposite shores of Arabian Sea. I have no doubt that we are connected not only by diplomacy but by our hearts. As a matter of fact, our civilizations have a long connection in the past. It has to be borne in mind that India traded in jewels and horses from your country. In the same manner, Indian spices and textiles were brought back here. I am happy to inform you that teak wood from India was used to build ships here. As a matter of fact, this country had a close trade with states on our western coast. As far as I know, even Indian currency was used here for trade from time to time. Ladies and gentlemen, I am grateful to the people of this country and I once again thank the government for this invitation. On this occasion, I would like to remind you that India was one of the first countries to recognize Kuwait after its independence. As a result, we have been very close for a long time. It is only natural that this country is a significant energy partner for India. At the same time, we also have major investments in their companies. There is no doubt that as far as our countries are concerned, we have stood by each other during difficult times. I would like to remind that during the pandemic, your country supplied liquid oxygen to us and we sent vaccines and medicines here to fight the crisis. This tradition has further improved over the last few years. On this occasion, I hope and trust that in the coming years, we will be able to become even greater partners in prosperity. Ladies and gentlemen, I have been able to say a few words from my mind and I conclude my speech. Thanking you on this occasion.